Ladies, did you know that the first meal of your day could be the secret to unlocking greater muscle strength? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we delve into health tips that make a real difference. Today, we're exploring how eating breakfast can dramatically impact women's muscle strength. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but recent studies highlight its specific benefits for women aiming to boost muscle strength. When you eat breakfast, you replenish your body's glucose levels, providing essential energy for your muscles. This early nutrient intake kickstarts muscle protein synthesis, crucial for muscle repair and growth. Imagine this: you have a busy day ahead, maybe a workout plan. Skipping breakfast means your muscles lack the immediate fuel they need, potentially hindering performance and strength development. Consuming a nutritious breakfast can lead to improved muscle strength, better endurance, and enhanced overall physical performance. Plus, sharing a morning meal can be a delightful way to connect with loved ones, setting a positive tone for the day. So, what should you include in your breakfast to maximize these benefits? Incorporate high-quality proteins like eggs or Greek yogurt, complex carbohydrates such as whole grain toast or oatmeal, and healthy fats from sources like avocados or nuts. And don't forget fruits and vegetables for those vital vitamins and minerals. A balanced breakfast sets the foundation for muscle strength and overall health. Here's your action plan. Start your day with a balanced breakfast rich in proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. Notice the difference in your energy levels and muscle strength over time. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Comment below with your favorite breakfast recipes that fuel your day.